at an InRoads command creating a profile, but two alternate ways of creating a profile that you may not have seen before. From the InRoads commands task, I'm going to launch the Create Profile tool, and I already have loaded an existing DTM that I'll be cutting the profiles on. And what we're going to talk about today is the different ways to create the alignments. Most of you are probably already used to using the alignment to create your profiles. And what I'm going to show you today is the graphic alignment and multi-point alignment for creating profiles. So I'm going to zoom into an area here. And what I want to do here is cut a profile across these two roadways. So I actually want to basically cut a quick profile or a section across these two roadways. So from the Create Profile command, I'm going to use Multipoint. And changing the button to Multipoint, I'm going to hit Apply. And it's going to ask me to identify a point on the view. And then I'm going to identify a second point in the view. And then I could continue adding points along, or I could do a right click or reject, and then it's asking me to identify the location of where I'm going to place this profile. So I can place it in the MicroStation view, and once I zoom in on it, you can see here how I cut the two roadways using the profile command. Now you'll also notice that it didn't leave behind an actual element of where I cut that profile from, so it's kind of arbitrary that way. If I want to make sure that it sticks, I can use the profile command, and this time I can actually give it a name. So in the multi-point alignment, I'm just going to give this a name called section and hit apply. And again, I'm going to hit two data points in the MicroStation view to identify the area, and then place the profile in my view. And now what's happened, I have created the profile, but I've also created a horizontal alignment. So if I go to my horizontal alignments, you can see here I created a new horizontal alignment called section. So if I zoom out here a little bit, and do a right click view, you can see here it placed the graphic in the view for me, representing where that profile was cut from. So just by naming it in the dialog will automatically create a horizontal alignment. Now the other profile that I wanted to show you is going to be cutting a profile on a graphical element already in the MicroStation design file. So from the source, I'm going to go to Graphic Alignment and select Apply. And again, this one, what I'm going to do is pick this ditch line. So I want to just cut a profile along the ditch. So identify the element in the MicroStation view, accept it, and then identify the location that I'm going to place this profile. I'll just find some white space up here. And you can then see I've cut this along here, and you can kind of see the path of the ditch line along the profile. Again, same thing as creating a horizontal alignment before. If I go to source and give it a name, I'll just call this ditch, hit apply, zoom out, and then identify that ditch again, accept it, and place it. Not only do I have the profile, but I also have created a horizontal alignment named ditch. So now I can do stationing on that, cut sections on that ditch, whatever I need to do to it. So using the evaluation profile, create profile, we can have two other methods for creating profiles in InRoads V8i SELECTseries 2. For more tips and tutorials, please visit our website, envisioncad.com. Thanks for watching.